I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show some our snapper jewelries. And what kind of snap jewelry we have? We have all kinds of bracelets, rings, earrings, pendants. Also, you can make your own snap jewelries. You can just you can learn from our tutors videos. We have some videos can teach you how to make DIY snapper jewelry. So you can just go to our YouTube and for reference. Now today what I want to show you. Let's see. Okay. Today I want to show you some multi-patterns snapper buttons. You already see I bought some snapper leather bracelets, and this is ring accessories for just fit for our snapper buttons. These are three designs for snappers, and different lengths for different price. This is 18 inch for length. Price is US dollars 1.43, and this is 16 inch. Price is US dollar 2.09. Okay, range size is US from 7 to 9. Okay, and the size is 18 for 18 millimeter for snap buttons. Price is US dollar 1.2. It is not so expensive. First, we see this designs. This is a many just mix pattern and mixed colors, and we can show you one. It's very beautiful designs. I hope you can see clearly. Very beautiful. A price also not expensive. Only need US dollar one piece. Only need US dollar 0.12, 0.12. Okay, and the minimum order is 10 piece. All same minimum order is 10 piece. This is for the first designs. This is for the animal leopard print snapper buttons, a mixed color, 18 millimeters. And we also can DIY for bracelets, rings, some jewelry fonts. Very beautiful colors. I hope you can see clearly. Okay. This is for star and also have some star designs. This is also multi-pattern design for this designs. Very mixed colors. Size is 18 millimeters. Price is same. So we can choose one ring, this ring, and put the leopard like this. Very elegant designs. Also we can put this picture. Very beautiful. Okay, and also we can use this one, the big, and put this star. Shining, right? Shining, huh? Now also we can try our bracelets. These bracelets we use white and put inside like this. Red color, and then we use the butterfly. Also very beautiful charm. Black colors, we use the leopard deeper color. This can change by depending on your like. You can buy many and you change many designs what you want. So it's very beautiful and very changeable designs. If you want, you can go to our website and check, and you will find more beautiful and more just patterns. Okay.